Hello everyone, I'm Nero from CogniCore AI. In this video, I'll show you how to effortlessly install comfyui on Runpod using an automated one-click method. Let's dive in. Head over to Runpod and start setting up your pod. We need to deploy a pod with our preferred GPU. I like to go with the RTX 4090. Next, under the template section, make sure to select the PyTorch 2.4 template. This ensures we've got the right environment for comfyui to run smoothly. Now, let's edit the template to add more storage. comfyui needs some extra space, so bump it up to at least 50 gig here. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Alright, let's expose port 3001. This is key for accessing comfyui later. Once that's set, click on Set Overrides and then hit Deploy the pod. Now we wait for the pod to spin up. It'll take a moment. Once the pod is ready, connect to it. Now, upload the install comfyui.sh file to the terminal. I've linked this file in the description for free, so you can grab it there. After uploading, open a new terminal, paste the command from the description, and press Enter. This command will automatically install the latest version of comfyui, along with the comfyui manager, all in one click. You can see it's Git cloning the comfyui repository, then installing all the requirements, and now it's cloning the comfyui manager. Once it's done, check the custom nodes. You will see the comfyui manager installed and ready to go. Once the installation finishes, you'll see a URL with port 3001. Head back to your pod and open comfyui through that port 3001 we exposed earlier. Boom! comfyui is up and running. You'll notice the comfyui manager right here. If you're using my script to install on a network disk, you can click Update All to ensure everything's up to date in the future. Since my script already installed the latest version, you can see it's the same version. Then click Restart to apply any updates. Then hit Confirm to refresh the page. Now you've got the latest version of comfyui ready to roll. Now you can download the models and nodes you want to use with your workflow and start exploring comfyui. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more AI tips and one-click scripts. It really helps us grow, and I'd love to have you along for the journey. That's it for today. In the next video, I'll share some automatic fast download scripts for Flux and WAM 2.1 models to save you a ton of time. Thanks for watching. I'm Nero, and I'll see you in the next one.